I'm just gonna make this quick. Gonna help you draw this hook right here, and I'm just gonna get right into it. So first you need to draw a straight line here, then use your compass and find the perpendicular line, I mean the 90-degree angle line here. Then from this diameter over here, the inner circle here, you can see, find the radius 34 divided by 2 and use your compass and draw a circle here. Okay, done. So now from the off center, which is 6 mm from the inner circle, you draw a straight line as long as possible, easy for you to mark up later, over here, and find the radius of this outer diameter, which is 30 mm. So 30 millimeters, just draw 3/4 of the circle right up to here. Next, what you need to do, 48 millimeters up the center from the main circle here, 48 millimeters up until here, draw a rectangle, and then draw the other rectangle over here. You can leave this one for later. Just draw a simple one at first. So then what you need to do is draw a straight line from the bottom of the rectangle to the right side. Now you could extend these lines. You can erase these the lines later. You mark up here and find the radius of this inner circle, which is 48 millimeters. Put your compass here and find 48 millimeters up until here, somewhere here, and this will be the pivot point. You can draw a line as so. Same thing to do with this outer diameter right here, with the radius of R 15.6. Put your compass over here, then mark up somewhere here. This will be the pivot point, and just draw a line over here, and done. You have done the first part of the hook. Now we could erase all of this and move on to the end part over here. So let's say you've already done all of the sketching over this side. So now we need to draw this line over here. Make sure this line is long enough. So from the end point of the large circle over here with the radius of 30 millimeters over here, this one, the big one, at the end point over here, which touches the x-axis, use your compass and find 36 millimeters, which should be over here, and this will be the pivot point. You can draw the line. Then what you need to do is mark up 20.5 millimeters up, and then somewhere here is a 20.5 millimeters up the y-axis. Then you need to find the 90-degree line over here. So then and in order to find this part right here, you can see it's a bit rounded on the top. So it's actually a full flat circle. So the radius is 2 millimeters. So find 2 millimeters from this part down, and then find 2 millimeters part to the left side until it touches here. If it doesn't touch, move this bit to the left side. So when done, you should get point here, somewhere here. Then you can draw a circle. Okay, so then after you have drawn a circle, the point we have drawn the axis on the circle, which is right here. So put your compass here, and then stretch it out about 30 millimeters, and sketch around here, make a curve here, and then from this point do the same thing, sketch another circle here. Then you find this point. This point is the pivot point for the radius of 30. Then you can draw a line over here.